fly over the heart of the ancient city of Rome, I approach Rome's Ciampino Airport. Down below there very clearly, you can see Roma's Termini Station, and that is where we'll be headed today on the coach bus from Ciampino Airport. Today I am really blessed with fantastic weather and an excellent view over the eternal city. It really is the perfect start to exploring a new and exciting destination. This video is a mixture of one of my quick guides videos and full rides videos put together, and is a simple how-to guide showing the pick-up and drop-off locations for the coach from Ciampino Airport to Roma's Termini Station. Other than the start and the finish of the journey, the rest of the video will be silent for you to sit back and enjoy the ride, as I know a few of you do like that. There will be a section before then on how to book tickets online or at the airport. And with that, welcome to Carl's Travel Channel, where every journey costs less than £200. Please sit back, relax and enjoy the ride, and always remember the nearest exit may be behind you. If you would like to see a more in-depth video all about the flight itself, that will be released out on my channel soon. This video is not sponsored or endorsed by any company mentioned. Any information mentioned should be verified online at your own risk. Anyhow, before we start, let's land into the airport.
Welcome to Ciampino on time for the local time is 22:12. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and captain will switch off the fasten seatbelt sign for you. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers as items of your carry-on bags. They have become dislodged during the flight and fall out causing injuries.
Okay, let's head to the terminal then, get out and get on the coach. Beware, there are no boarding bridges at Ciampino Airport, which is handy to remember if you have accessibility issues, but I'm sure wheelchairs are provided if booked in advance. Please remember to check with your airline. Passports control and immigration was nice and quick and easy, and you come straight out here from the terminal at ground level, and then it's just a simple walk just along the side here, as you see where I'm going, to the bus stop clearly visible at the end. If you remember this from the video, it should keep you in the right direction. And here we are. Pause the video now even for a quick reminder. Now we're nice and safely on board, it's time to quickly go through the booking process and discuss the pricing available and where to buy the tickets. Now, I bought the tickets in the airport terminal and I paid €8 one way. You get a small discount for booking in advance online of €7 each way, as shown here on the website. And if you're not simply travelling one way and planning to come back, you get a €2 discount off the return journey, as shown here. Total fare, therefore, is only €12 return. Please remember, these prices may change at any time, and they're just based around average availability at the present moment in September 2025. It appears it's not even necessary to register for an account. You can simply log in and pay as a guest, or even pay with Google Pay. They also, as shown here, offer transfers from Fiumicino International Airport, the larger of Roma's two airports. And there are also some other drop-off locations, though I only tried out the main one at Roma's Termini Station. And this indeed is the only destination offered from Ciampino Airport on the coach. As this video is a hybrid between one of my quick guides videos and one of my full rides, I'll now let you sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. And if you wish to see the drop-off location, of course, please fast forward to the end of the video where you'll find it and details about the arrival. This is at the 14 minutes mark. But if you want some relaxation of just watching the journey and the sights of the city roll by, then please stay tuned and watch some of the video. And of course, please remember to like and subscribe. It really does make a difference to my channel. See you again at the destination. As we are about to reach our final destination, I will now resume the commentary. Here we are, finally arriving and pulling in to Roma's Termini Station. As you can see, also the same arrival spot for the TAM buses from Ciampino Airport and many tour buses of the city. This is both the pick-up and drop-off location, should you be heading back to the airport also by the coach. You can also easily get to the Termini Station using one of the city's 2 metro lines. We'll get off the coach first, and I'll show you a little more of the local area. And welcome to Rome's Termini Station. Available on offer here are a myriad of train services and also shops, cafes and restaurants. You can see these in a little more detail on my Italo train video, which is already uploaded on my channel. Upstairs there is even a food court and bar area, and a branch of Leon, just like back home. And no, this video is not sponsored by them. Underground is the metro station, and here you can see you can easily buy a ticket and a day pass for the metro as shown below, because I'm sure many of you will need to do this once arriving on the coach. A 24-hour pass is €7. Before leaving the area, however, just a quick look here outside to show you the pick-up and drop-off location over in the corner, as pointed out on the screen next to the station itself. And of course, indeed, there is a coach leaving right now, a TAM bus to Ciampino. A closer view here in front of the location itself, just down this street. And with that, thank you for watching Carl's Travel Channel's Quick Guides. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you, of course, on the next one.